Hello everyone, it's Delon Jenkins here. I think what I'm going to do today is do some repairs on my irrigation system. As you can see up here, these plants, I did a old garden hose irrigation system that I hooked up. I'm going to show you how I did it, show you where it runs from, and how this drips down through this basket to here, and it waters them, and I have it all hooked up on a timer over here. So you'll see a project that cost me about $20 because this old garden hose already had holes in it. So I'm gonna put some marine tape around it, and then we're gonna see what happens. But it's working pretty well right now. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so what you're gonna see here is, matter of fact, we might as well change the, let's turn this around. We'll give it a, instead of it going this way, turn it this way. How do you like that? There is a emitter here. This emitter sprays out water, so we're going to adjust that a little bit. Now this stuff here, it's pretty good. I mean, it does the trick. Now you have to remember, this garden hose, the reason why it is an old garden hose is because it had holes everywhere. Water comes out of there and it hits. Now we have waterproof bulbs up here, so I'm not too concerned about that, although I have had waterproof bulbs to get water in them for some reason. Outdoor waterproof bulbs. How does an outdoor waterproof bulb get soaked on the inside with water? Now here is some tape that I put around here, okay, because there are holes right here. So that emitter right there will go down into that plant. We'll do the same thing over here. I think these are okay, but all you need to do is maybe go buy you a new lightweight, better garden hose for your regular gardening. Take the old garden hose and make a drip irrigation out of it. That's what I'm doing. This marine tape is not like regular tape, it's like some kind of rubber film. Here we go, we're over here. Here's the system. So right now it's 9:39 in the morning. Is it? And it's getting late. So you can see it says next start time. I have it set for 2 hours and 22 minutes. So it says it's 9:40 right now. Next start time is 2 hours and 20 minutes because I have this auto dial on set. But what I want to do is test my system out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this manual button, and then I'm going to just test it out for a minute. And then you'll hear a click. And now for 1 minute it's going to come out. And there you have it. See the drip? See the drip? Okay, there's no drip in that one. So I think I have to loosen up the emitter. So the little red dot right there, that one is too tight. That one's too tight. So we'll loosen that up. We might want to give us 1 more minute. So let's turn this off. Put it back on the manual. Yeah. We'll go 2 minutes to give me time. And there we go. So let's see. So hit manual again. So now it's saying it's 9:44. 2 minutes. Again, it runs along here. One of these tubes from there runs along the side and feeds into this right here. And I'll do an update on this pretty soon. And then it goes up to there. My lights and everything. So now that it's turned on, you can see just got a nice easy drip. Everybody's getting water, and then it comes all the way down. The key to all of this is, you know, you spend a little more on your baskets, or you can make the baskets yourself, but you will save some money by just setting up your own drip irrigation that has a timer set up to it. Put a splitter on top of your spigot or your hose bib, whatever you want to call it. One end, that orange one on this side, goes down and feeds all the way up to over there. And we have a nice irrigation. That side feeds down and it goes to the hose reel. So far the hose reel has been holding up, absolutely no leaks. It's on right now. I have not turned it off from the bib all year. And as you can see, spray something. But we don't have any leaks. So no leaks on the ground. So far so good. This thing is really holding up. So folks, there you have it. Nice drip irrigation. These are wet. As they get wet, it takes just X amount of water, and then the water goes down, drips into here. This one drips, hits the flower and goes into that pot. So everything is working the way it should. All right, this is DeLon Jenkins here. We'll see you later.